After the sales process, we start to look at retirement planning. Since your regular recurring income from the company is no longer, but you are going to receive a lump sum, a large nest egg, you need to make sure that you have the proper methodology plan, no different than your business plan when you're operating your company, for your personal life. So many people don't understand. They do planning for their company and never plan for themselves. Well, now you're planning for yourselves because the ultimate goal is wealth. The business generated your wealth. Well, now you want to make sure you keep the wealth and that you have it throughout your lifetime to live enjoyably. So what do you need to do? The first thing that we always recommend is to create a statement of net worth. Understand what your assets are, what your liabilities are or debt, and then what the net of those two amounts give you your net worth. At that point in time, we believe for a safe, secure financial future, you want to become debt-free. A person in their retirement years that are debt-free really have no issues to worry about. People can't bother them. They can't hassle them. So we try to come up with a debt restructure program to get you out of debt as quickly as possible, not to look for paying a whole dollar to get a tax write-off for 30 cents or 40 cents. That doesn't make sense in your retirement years. Using people's money at that point in time is not what you want. You want to make sure that you can just live your senior years enjoyably. After that, you want to look at your cash flow. How important it is for your lifestyle to maintain the way it's always been. That's cash flow. Well, to do that, you got to make sure you have enough cash flow coming in from your investments, and you want to create where you have aggressive investments that can still keep making you money, but you also want to take care of your lifestyle expenditures, and that needs to be fixed income type investments. There's many investments to go into. We're not doing that today in this video, but we can help you in that endeavor as well. So want to make sure that you have enough steady income coming in between Social Security and your fixed income to make sure that your lifestyle maintains the same. Thereafter, you have to start looking at your insurances. It's so important and proper to make sure that you don't have any risk coming at you. So this risk assessment and having the proper insurances will make sure, no different than when you had your business, you have nothing that will come back to haunt you in your retirement years. Whether that's auto insurance and homeowners that everybody takes for granted, that you use it or lose it type of insurance, to where, from a personal standpoint, maybe you want to create some life insurance because you don't have enough for your spouse or your children educational needs. So insurance and risk assessment is so important, but it also goes in conjunction with Social Security and Medicare supplements. Something that most people don't realize is you need to, even if you do not apply for Social Security at retirement age, which most people right now are around 66 to 67 at the oldest, for full benefits, you need to apply for Medicare at age 65, and you have a 6-month window in order to do that. And if you don't do it, you pay a premium for the supplement thereafter for the rest of your life. That's something that nobody wants to do just because they didn't fit a government window of 6 months. So it's so important to make sure that's done properly. You can take Social Security out at age 62, probably will break even somewhere around age 78 to 79, or you can hold to full retirement age of 66 to 67, which will give you full retirement Social Security benefits at that point in time. Or another methodology is you could hold off to age 70 if you don't need the money, because it earns you 8% interest between your full retirement of age 66 up to age 70, which is a nice return as well. Medicare is something you will have, and you'll be quite comfortable with Medicare as long as you get the supplement that goes with it. You want to make sure that you have it covered for your hospitalization, your doctors, as well as your prescriptions. And there's all different variations of that. Medicare is a very complicated section along with Social Security. So all this we cover in retirement planning, which is so important to protect you in your life. Last but not least, investments. How do you invest properly in order to make sure that you have enough cash flow coming in, which we started on in the first place? There's so many things that we can help you with in the investments. We're investment licensed as well as insurance licensed. So all these things throughout your life and retirement years, we can help you with, both from an accounting perspective, a tax perspective, your life insurance or insurance needs, along with your investment needs. Here at St. Clair CPAs, we're really looking to help you in your years when you're going to enjoy life the most.